Okay, here's a little video on how to put your tracer engine together. Open the box here, set the instructions aside for now. Here's the actual unit. Then in this little box is a charger and an adapter. So, okay, so we have a little USB charger here and the adapter for the unit here. So the way that this works is it's left-handed threads, and this threads into here, lefty-tighty. Okay, and then it's a little tricky to get to the charge port. This whole front part unscrews. And that will expose the charge port right there. You can use this, plug that into there and plug that into a USB power source. It charges pretty quickly, like 40 minutes or so. And then to put it on the gun, screw it on this way, and it's also left-handed threads. Which I'm not doing. And there's some different modes. If you hold this little button down back here, it'll turn it on, and then if you click it, each time you click it, it might not be showing up on here, but you're changing the color. And it automatically shuts off if you haven't been using it, I think, for like 10 minutes. There you go.